never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video.
Give thanks for life. Every man need a wife.
Yes, so guys, we are on our way. Well, today we are going to, well, no, rewind and come again. Happy Independence Day, everybody. It's Saturday, the 6th of August. Happy Independence Day. 60 years, right, of Jamaican Independence. So, hope you guys are having fun wherever you are doing, wherever you are. So, you know, a whole heap of celebrations are going on in Jamaica. Loads of stage shows, loads of events, all of that good stuff. So, we are on our way to Ocho Rios Seafood Festival. Of course, you know, there's going to be loads of seafood for sale and there's going to be a stage show, different artists. So we're going there today. We're going to pick up some guests first and then we're going to go make our way to Ocho Rios Seafood Festival. So how are you guys celebrating Independence Day? If you are at all, maybe you're not, maybe you are, maybe you're doing something special with the family. Leave a comment, let us know if you're doing anything for Independence Day, how you're celebrating.
Every day is just another day. In Jamaica, every day is on holiday.
Every day is a holiday. There's something going on every day though, isn't there?
That's weird.
Especially in the summer, especially this season, yeah. Especially in this summer season, guys. Oh, my earring fell. Something's always going on. Yes. So we're on the road, Ocho Rios Seafood Festival. Go pick up some guests. But you know, guys, you know me and my patty, right? So yeah, I'm not eating from morning. It's 10. Well, it's still early, 10 o'clock. So patty stop first thing. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're in White River now. Is it going to be down there? So if you guys know this place, White River, where they do the rafting down there. So the seafood festival is supposed to be down here somewhere, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be White River. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop at this gas station real quick. They usually do patties. See if I can get myself a juicy chicken patty to start my day right. Guys, no patty. Can you believe it? No patty at the gas station. Do you think it's because it's Saturday and it's Independence Day and lots is going on?
Maybe.
So you're going to stop over there?
Alright,
Alright guys, we're stopping at White River North New Plaza. Yeah, this is fairly new, White River North. White River North. So there's a little place over here that sometimes sells patties. Yeah, I'm going to try there. I have to try it everywhere until I get one. Guys, I got it. Chicken patty. Yes guys, so we're here, Ocho Rios Seafood Festival. Some of the people performing. Yeah. Yes sir. Ocho Rios Seafood Festival. It's a little, every different vendors selling food. Yeah. And then we're gonna start and put that a little more. Mr. Outlaw.
I'm proud of people. You know what thing go?
So where are we right now?
White River.
Ocho Rios Seafood
Festival.
Yeah, looks like we're kind of here still early, same way.
It's good, they have things for kids.
Yeah.
And all these things for big people, things for children. Everything is around.
So everything is free apart from food and drinks.
So with this armband, you can go do rafting.
Yeah, tubing.
Armband, you can do tubing.
Get your little popcorn and stuff. And then so later there's probably the stage show over there.
Yeah, so later on we'll see so what does I sing?
Admiral Bailey and a few other people. The Angel.
Yeah, Richard Stevenson lost the race again.
Free rafting and free tubing. Mr. Monday enjoying a red stripe. Drumming and some pom-pom and everything. Hey everyone, welcome back again. So it's the day after Independence Day. So you would have seen that we went to Ocho Rios Seafood Festival yesterday, which was nice family day, right? We didn't get to stay for the stage show because it just started too late and we'd got there early, but it was a nice family day out. So today we are at Miss T's kitchen. This is somewhere I've been wanting to come for the longest time. Yeah, I know that it's a really popular place amongst tourists and people come far and wide. So we're at Miss T's kitchen today. What do you got to say, Mr. Atlow?
Manners and prayers. Give thanks to life. So we are trying something different today, you know?
Yes.
Let's go and do all the things set up in our life. Every man need a wife.
Here we go again.
So we try to get the things going, you know?
Anyway, let's go.
Yeah, so we are going to look something on Miss T place.
Yeah.
Miss T, always good. You know them all time name there. Miss T,
Oh, right,
Sister
okay.
B, Miss P, and all these things. Always work out.
Let's go.
You know what thing go?
Let's go. Teas.
Kitchen. Nice Jamaican culture cooking.
So this is at the grounds. The Nourish to Flourish kids play area. Nice area to sit down outside. The wine yard. So yes, we're at Miss T's kitchen. Like I said, it's our first time. We started with some Prosecco. I really wanted rosé, they didn't have any, but we went with a Prosecco. And yeah, so yes guys, happy Independence Day, Jamaica, 60 years. If you guys celebrated, hope you guys had a good day. Yeah, I've seen quite a lot of things on the internet in UK, especially in Birmingham. You guys know how to get down, man. Lots of independence celebrations in Birmingham I've seen online. Yeah, I guess this is a time, you know, to celebrate as a country, 60 years independence, and to reflect on the great things of Jamaica. You guys know how I feel about Jamaica, hence why I'm out here, right? But I did kind of reflect this morning with this whole Jamaica 60 going on and everything like that. And whilst there's been, you know, I guess major steps to improve the country and to do things and things that we should be proud of, our heritage and everything like that, I still feel like there's a long way to go. And like every country, yeah, so, you know, but obviously this is, obviously this is Jamaica 60 and I'm in Jamaica, so I'm going to talk about Jamaica. I'm not talking about anywhere else. But I think if I had one hope for Jamaica right now, right now, if I could change anything, there's loads of things I want to change. Infrastructure, poverty, loads of things. But one thing I would want to change right now, and that I would plea and ask the government to really focus their attention on, is crime and violence. Crime and violence in Jamaica, I'm going to be honest, I'm sick and tired of every day waking up, going online, going on Instagram and seeing all of these killings and murders and road traffic accidents as well. That's a big problem. See, I'm fed up. I'm like, and even though I don't want to say it doesn't concern us, because even though we're not in the thick of it, right, it concerns us because it's in a place that we love, innit? Yeah, every day you wake up you see these things. It's like, it's heart-wrenching. Do you know what I mean? I don't ever want to just remove myself and say, oh, that's not my reality, or it's not happening to me or my family, so I'm good and I'm living a great life in Jamaica. Nah, this is happening in the country that we love. Do you understand? So it's all of our problem. Do you know what I mean? We've got children, we've got grandchildren, we've got young ones coming up. Is this what they have to face? and I know it sounds like a bit of a downer, and I know that a lot of people tune into our channel because we show the positive side of Jamaica. We speak positivity. As you guys know, this is a positive channel. We always try to highlight the positive, especially me as a foreigner coming out here, Outlaw as a local out here who's born and raised. We always try to focus on the positive, because I tell you what, and a lot of people say there's a lot of people out there, a lot of other channels who will focus on the negative. You don't have to come to us for negative news in Jamaica. There's loads of other people covering that, so we try to, that's not really our lane. But it doesn't mean that we're not affected by the things that are going on. It doesn't mean that my heart doesn't bleed for the loss of life that is happening for such a small country. The crime rate, let's just be honest, the crime rate is out of control. It's ridiculous, do you know what I mean? And I am just pleading to the powers that be, please, I know you guys have got a lot on your hands. I get it, it's not easy to run a country. You got a lot on your hands. There's lots of, this is a developing country, so there's so many issues. But right now, let me tell you, the crime and violence, there are locals out here, born and raised out here, who are afraid. I am not born and I'm not raised. I'm not afraid to go out and do what I need to do because I know where I'm going. And I'm fortunate enough that I'm not in certain communities. Do you know what I mean? That I live in quite a good community and everything. But if I want to see, if there's one thing that I'd really love to see, is a better Jamaica in every way, but especially crime and violence. But Jamaica, big up yourself. I love you same way. I'm here. I'm not going nowhere. Jamaica's my country and I love it. So happy Independence Day to everybody out there. Let's pray for a better Jamaica.
Give thanks. People of Jamaica, you don't know what to do. If you don't want good, know that for run. Do what you have to do.
Yeah.
You don't know what to do. Remember me telling you that, you know, 78 years now, do what you have to do for a better Jamaica.
Okay. And we're all praying for a better Jamaica. But guys, we're going to go back into Miss T's kitchen, go enjoy some good food, hold a good vibes, drink our Prosecco, and just enjoy the vibe, right? And bring you with us. Yeah.
Fine.
Alright, so Outlaw got the what do you get again? Honey chicken.
Yeah.
Honey chicken, so it's fried chicken with some honey sauce.
Honey sauce and whatever.
Yeah, traditional rice and peas and stuff. I got the jerk chicken pasta and jerk chicken. Yeah.
Okay, so you remember that color? I got this slow tell about that color. From way back, bandana and all these colors in the world work. So when I grab it, that's why I miss these things that swim, you know, on top. So we don't leave the thing, the culture, just stay with it. And I jump
guys, you know it's mandatory to taste your partner's food, right? Yeah. Your partner orders something different, bring the plate forward. And I have to taste some of Outlaw's food.
Yeah, I'm open for that.
Want to taste some chicken?
Yes, to do.
Want to taste some chicken?
Yeah.
Cut piece for me. Right there. Hey, help me.
You know, far for it. The onion gives a blend. Is it?
This one is nice. Your one is nice. So is mine. Honey chicken tastes good, guys. Look, I'm tasting some of my jerk pasta. Tastes alright?
I love you, man.
Well, I think that clearly explains what Outlaw thought about the food at Miss T's. Stephen has reclined the seat in the car. We're still in the car park. We've just finished. He's not ready to leave yet. He's got the AC on, cooling down. How was that for you?
Beautiful.
Okay, good. People, food was good. I had the jerk chicken pasta. Outlaw had the honey chicken, like honey fried chicken. His was real good. Mine was nice, but his was real good as well. And we had a bottle of Prosecco. And that was like, for the two of us, like $8,600. Yeah, so kind of average, right? But yeah, it was good. We'll definitely come back again. I'll try something. I think next time I'll order the honey chicken. But Miss T's is good. So if you're in the Ocho Rios area, check out Miss T's kitchen for sure. Good food, good atmosphere, good vibe. Yeah.
I'm stay good, man. She cook good love. The food tastes lovely. Another price.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Crew.
If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.